Yeah, it is pre-planned attack on Janardhan Reddy and his brothers, even on Sri Ramalu, because see youngest MLA in Ballari, so he is no control on his attitude, and he himself was telling that see, if you give me 5 minutes, I will fire all his house and other things. How can a MLA can tell all these things? Okay, this is number one. Number two, Congress culture itself is that, and Congress president is supporting him. Instead, he should have thrown him from the. He should have thrown from the party, but he is supporting and telling that Janardhan Reddy is making a drama. See, drama company is Congress party, not BJP or BJP MLAs. And see, standing in a main road, he is telling that, see, I will finish him. This is the attitude. And fired. Who fired actually? Their gunmen only fired. They should have arrested their gunmen immediately after the incident. But they have not. See, yesterday, and we demanded immediately arrest them. What they arrested? They not gunmen, only guns they have arrested. Today they have taken, I think, the truth has come out, because see, there is nothing to support their attitude, because everything is open now. Chief Minister knows the better, and this case should be given to CBI to investigate, and this attitude must stop here itself. See, we seen in this type of activities in only cinemas, but here openly they are doing, because this is all ganja effect. The Karnataka become a ganja hub. That is the reflection of all this.
What is the observation on land order, sir? What is the Home Minister is doing?
See, the Home Minister is a part-time Home Minister. He is not a full-time Home Minister. So that he is not coming anywhere to check what is happened, where and when is happened. He is not bothered about all that. So, MLAs and other ministers become the Home Ministers. So, that is the problem. See, he is not coming out. Thank you.